This recipe breaks every rule you think you know about healthy food. No frying, no oil, just simple plants, yet the result may change how you eat forever. Stay until the end. Welcome back to Wellness Unfolds, where we discover the art of healthy living through delicious, plant-based recipes that nourish your soul. Today we are creating something extraordinary, a gluten-free sausage recipe that requires absolutely no oil and involves zero frying techniques. This unique recipe is perfect for weight loss, hormone balance, and digestion, utilizing simple ingredients found in your local market. We begin our culinary journey with a can of white beans, a fantastic source of plant-based protein and essential fiber. Ensure you rinse the beans thoroughly to remove excess sodium and improve the texture before we start the mashing process. Next, we introduce rolled oats, which will act as a binding agent while providing a healthy dose of complex carbohydrates. Processing the oats into a fine flour is a crucial step to ensure our sausages hold their shape during steaming. You can see how the texture has transformed into a soft powder, which is the secret to a smooth consistency. We also incorporate nutrient-dense walnuts and chia seeds, adding healthy fats that support brain health and keep you feeling full. Pulse the walnuts gently with the oats, as we want to keep some texture to mimic the mouthfeel of traditional sausages. Flavor is everything, so we are using a robust blend of garlic, chili, cumin, and paprika to ignite the palate. Do not be afraid to be generous with these spices, as they provide the signature savory taste without needing excessive salt. Now, we reunite the white beans with our dry mixture, preparing to blend everything into a cohesive and moldable dough. Watch closely as the machine does the hard work, blending these wholesome ingredients into a thick paste ready for shaping. The consistency should be firm yet pliable, allowing us to mold it easily without it crumbling or sticking too much. Transfer this aromatic mixture into a bowl, ensuring we scrape every bit of this nutrient-rich dough for our meal prep. For an extra layer of texture and freshness, we fold in some finely chopped onions and fresh garlic by hand. Mix everything thoroughly by hand to ensure the fresh aromatics are evenly distributed throughout every single sausage we will make. Preparation is key, so have your parchment paper and foil ready. Cut into rectangles that are the perfect size for wrapping. Scoop a generous amount of the mixture and place it centrally on the paper, forming the initial shape of a log. Roll the parchment paper tightly around the filling, using your fingers to compress the dough into a classic sausage cylinder. Twist the ends firmly like a candy wrapper, which helps compact the ingredients and ensures they do not fall apart during steaming. For extra security and even heat distribution, we wrap each sausage in a second layer of aluminum foil before cooking. Repeat this process until you have used all the mixture, creating a batch of uniform sausages ready for the steamer. Prepare your steamer by bringing a pot of water to a boil, creating the perfect environment for gentle, oil-free cooking. Place the wrapped sausages into the steamer basket, ensuring there is enough space for the hot steam to cook them evenly. Cover the pot and let the magic happen for exactly 20 minutes, allowing the heat to set the proteins and starches. While our main dish is steaming, let us prepare a comforting side of mashed potatoes to complete this wholesome meal. Chop the potatoes into even cubes to ensure they cook quickly and uniformly, saving us time in the kitchen today. Boil the potatoes in salted water until they are tender enough to be easily pierced with a fork or knife. We also want some crunch, so slice up some fresh cucumber to add hydration and a refreshing contrast to the plate. Add some ripe tomatoes for a burst of acidity and color, making the final presentation look vibrant and incredibly appetizing. Once the potatoes are perfectly cooked, drain them well, as excess water is the enemy of fluffy and creamy mashed potatoes. Mash the potatoes until smooth, adding a touch of plant-based milk and seasonings to achieve that perfect cloud-like consistency. Our timer has finished, signaling that the sausages are fully cooked and ready to be removed from the gentle heat. Carefully remove the packages from the steamer and let them rest for a few minutes to firm up as they cool. Unwrap the layers to reveal the result of your patience. A firm and aromatic sausage that holds its shape beautifully. Notice the incredible texture we have achieved without any gluten or animal products, purely through the power of natural ingredients. Now for the best part, plating our creation. Start with a generous serving of our creamy mashed potatoes on the side. Arrange the fresh cucumber slices and tomato wedges to add a refreshing crunch and a beautiful pop of color. Place the star of the show, our white bean sausages, right in the center, completing this balanced and nutritious plate. A final garnish of fresh herbs or cracked black pepper adds that professional touch and elevates the aroma of the dish. Behold a complete meal that is entirely plant-based, oil-free, and designed to support your health goals without sacrificing flavor. Let us cut into one to see the inside. It slices perfectly, offering a satisfying density that mimics traditional comfort food. The combination of savory spices, nutty walnuts, and hearty beans creates a flavor profile that is truly hard to resist. This dish proves that healthy eating does not mean bland food. It is about celebrating the natural tastes of wholesome ingredients. Remember, this meal is completely gluten-free, contains zero added oils, and is packed with fiber to aid your digestion. We started with humble ingredients like beans and oats, transforming them into something sophisticated through simple culinary techniques and creativity. These sausages are also excellent for meal prep. You can store them in the refrigerator and reheat them whenever needed. Feel free to get creative. Serve them in a sandwich, slice them into a salad, or enjoy them as is. Recipes like this are essential tools for balancing hormones and maintaining energy levels throughout your busy and demanding day. The vibrant colors on this plate represent a wide range of vitamins and minerals that your body will thank you for. Small details like high-quality spices and fresh produce make all the difference in creating a meal that feels luxurious. By choosing to steam instead of fry, we avoid harmful oxidized fats while keeping the meal light and easy to digest. Another benefit of this oil-free cooking method is the easy cleanup, with no greasy pans to scrub afterward. I highly encourage you to try this recipe this weekend. It is a fun process that yields delicious rewards for days. White beans are an underrated superfood, providing a clean source of plant protein that is sustainable for the planet. Oats are well known for their heart health benefits, helping to lower cholesterol and keep your cardiovascular system running smoothly. To recap, blend your ingredients, shape the dough, steam for 20 minutes, and serve with your favorite fresh sides. This is a dish meant to be shared.
It looks amazing.
Impress your friends and family with a healthy meal that tastes truly indulgent. Every element on this plate plays a role, from the hydration of the cucumber to the comfort of the potatoes. Pair this meal with a glass of lemon water or herbal tea to further aid digestion and hydration. Feel free to experiment with the spices. Curry powder or Italian herbs can also work wonders in this versatile base recipe. At Wellness Unfolds, our mission is to make healthy eating accessible, enjoyable, and sustainable for everyone, everywhere. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more wellness content. I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below if you plan to try these white bean sausages. Check out our other videos for more oil-free, plant-based inspiration that will help you thrive on your wellness journey. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Remember that every healthy meal is a step towards a better you. Nature provides us with everything we need to heal and flourish, and it is a joy to cook with these gifts. Let food be your medicine and your joy. Embrace the process of cooking as an act of self-love and care. As we close this chapter, I hope you feel inspired to step into your kitchen and create something wonderful today. We truly appreciate your support and your passion for healthy living. It drives us to create better content for you. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe from our wellness kitchen. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will explore more secrets of plant-based nutrition and holistic health practices. Until next time, keep unfolding your wellness journey, one delicious and healthy meal at a time. Goodbye for now.